YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3D water in Eevee for your Roblox graphics. Now I'm going to walk you guys through step by step how to make this, so I hope you guys follow along. And yeah, once you have Blender open, you want to hit A on your keyboard. This is going to select everything. We're going to hit X, delete. We're going to go up to add. Let's go for mesh and let's go for plane right here. Okay, now you want to go to modifiers right here, hit add and click on ocean. Okay, and right here change repeat X to 2 and repeat Y to 2 as well. Change resolution to 15 and hit generate foam right here. For the name, type foam, and coverage, let's do 0.2. Alright, so good. Now let's hit shading tab right here. Okay, we're gonna hit new and change the base color to nice blue, and we're gonna turn our transmission all the way up to 1. And as you can see, we have some nice waves now. We could adjust these settings later, but this is fine for now. You're gonna drag material output all the way to the right side. We're gonna hit Shift A on the keyboard. Okay, we're gonna hit search, and we're gonna go for add a shader. Just drop it in right here. Shift A again, this time attributes. Oops, right here. Shift A, color ramp in this order, and Shift A, we're gonna go for emission. You're gonna type the name for attribute as foam, and you're gonna drag the color into color ramp and the color over here into emission, and finally emission into add a shader. And now as you can see, we have some very nice waves, but we can make this look a lot better. So I'm gonna show you guys how. You can drag the slider right here. This will adjust your foam on the waves. As you can see, this will make it sharper. I don't recommend you do that. Make sure you guys check out our store, gfxcomment.com. We now have studio imported products. Well, we have one, but we have a lot more coming soon. So yeah, just check it out. We have some free stuff, some UIs, graphics packs. Just check it out for yourself. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. You could adjust the roughness values of your ocean if you want to, as you can see. Alright, now how to make this look even better. You can adjust the resolution to 30 if your computer can handle it. As you can see, it is looking much more realistic. We could go into render mode right here. We don't have any lighting, so we will do that later. But choppiness, so we go for 2. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, choppiness will make this look much more drastic. Let's bring it back. Okay, for smallest wave, you can go 0.001. See how this looks. For scale, you can turn scale down. Let's go for 0.75. See how this looks. As you can see, if you turn this up to 4, this is what happens. The waves become extremely strong. We have depth here. Let's go for 500. See how this looks. You can change the random seed to 3. This will change the waves for us. As you can see, this is pretty cool right here. Time, you can adjust the time. As you can see, it is completely up to you how you want to make your ocean look. I want to increase the scale, so I'm gonna go for 1.5. Okay, I think I like that. That's nice. This right here is nice. Alright, so now let's add some lighting into our scene. Let's go for environments right here. Click here, let's go for environment texture. I'm just going to use an HDRI. If you guys don't have one, you can look for some online. Alright, I think I like how this looks. And now I'm going to turn on ambient occlusion, some bloom, screen space reflections, and I'm going to go to film and turn transparent on. So now I have this results. Anyways guys, that's how you make some really nice water in Blender Eevee for your Roblox graphics. If you guys enjoyed this quick video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, check out our store, gfxcomment.com. Thank you.